Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. It's still Thai food month here on Headbanger's Kitchen and we've done some recipes with chicken and pork, so it's time to make some beef. And today we're going to be making Nhang Tok Nyo, which is a beef salad from the northeastern part of Thailand. Now, Nhang Tok means waterfall actually, so this is waterfall beef, and the reason it's called that is because of the sound that the beef makes when being cooked on the grill, like the juices dripping down, and it sounds like a waterfall. Anyway, I don't have a grill, I'll use my cast iron skillet, but enough jibber jabber from me, let's get cooking. So the first thing we're going to do is marinate our steaks, and I'm using water buffalo tenderloin for this recipe. You can use sirloin or any other cut you like. And we're going to be marinating our steaks with some fish sauce, some soya sauce and some black pepper, and give it all a good mix and let it marinate for half an hour at least. And while the steak is marinating, we're going to prep our salad. Now, mint is an essential ingredient in this salad, so get some fresh mint and just pluck the leaves from the stalks. If the leaves are too big, you can chop them up, but I prefer to leave them whole. Once you've plucked the mint, we're going to take some coriander or cilantro and roughly chop it up. This is another fresh herb that goes in the salad. Then I'm going to take a spring onion and just cut that into rounds. This will add even more freshness. This is quite a herbaceous salad. And I'm going to take about half a red onion and thinly slice it into half moons. Now normally you would use Thai shallots for this, but since I didn't have access to those, a red onion will just do the job. And I'm also going to take 2 limes and I'm going to cut them and then juice them. Of course, if you want the salad to be more sour, you can use more limes, but I think 2 should suffice for me. Next, I'm going to toast some sunflower seeds in a hot pan, and you want to toast this till they are nice and golden brown. Now, actually this isn't part of the original recipe. Normally they use jasmine rice which has been toasted and then ground into a powder. But since that's not really keto friendly, we're substituting that with these sunflower seeds. So you're just going to toast them till they get nice and golden brown, and as they turn brown, you're going to take it off the heat. You're going to let it cool and then put it into a mortar and pestle and then grind it into a nice fine powder. Now this is going to take a bit of elbow grease, and I was thinking to myself, why didn't I just use the food processor? But this also explains how Thai people are so skinny. I guess it takes a lot of work to eat this kind of food, so you definitely get a workout in grinding these. Anyway, once they're ground, they are ready. Now I also decided to toast some pork rinds. Now this is again not part of the actual recipe. This is another substitute for that toasted rice powder that they make. Anyway, toast your pork rinds, and once they are done, get them off the stove. Once they are cooled, they go into the mortar and pestle, and you grind that into a powder, a nice porky powder. So we're basically going to be using the sunflower seed powder and this as well, and that's it. These are going to be the crunchy elements of our salad. So once the beef is done marinating, it's time to cook it. And like I said earlier, this is normally cooked over a charcoal grill, but since I do not have that and I don't even have a stovetop grill, I'm just going to go with my trusty cast iron skillet. And if you're wondering what was the oil I'm using, well, that's chicken fat to give it some extra flavor. Anyway, get those steaks in, let them cook. Now obviously the cooking time for the steak is going to vary on what cut of meat you have used. Since I'm using tenderloin, I've kept them as really big pieces, so it will take some time. And of course I make sure I cook it on all sides. That's the thing about a steak, you gotta seal it on all sides. And of course if you can get beef with some fat, that is even better, but I don't have that luxury here in India. I am just treated to lean meat. Anyway, let those steaks cook, and once they are fully done, take them out onto a plate and let them rest. Now once the meat has rested, I'm going to pour out those resting juices. This is going to be part of our dressing, so don't throw it away. It's liquid gold. Anyway, now there's nothing left to do but cut the steak. Obviously for one portion of salad, I'm not going to use half a kilo of steak, so I'm just going to cut up one of the fillets and it looks perfect to me. I'm going to cut them up into nice bite-sized pieces. And oh yeah, that steak looks so good. I could eat it already. Anyway, I probably will eat a piece. Alright, so now it's time to assemble the salad, and we're going to put our beef in a bowl. We're going to throw in our onions as well, the red onions and the spring onions. And then I'm just going to give everything a good mix just to get things in motion. Then in go our other ingredients. Some chili flakes, some fish sauce, the lemon juice, some sucrin gold, or you can also use erythritol or stevia for some sweetness. And in go our crunchy elements, the ground up sunflower seeds and the crushed pork rinds, the coriander, the mint, and give it all a good mix. You want everything to be mixed in nicely. Oh, and I almost forgot the most important ingredient, the resting juices from the beef. Anyway, give that all a good mix, and that's it, my friends. Our salad is ready. That's how easy it is. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Our spicy Thai beef salad is ready. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright folks, so it's time to taste our Thai spicy beef salad, and I'm excited. This is a salad that's just perfect for me because it focuses on the beef. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let me taste. Oh wow. First of all, once again, I am pleasantly surprised that it's not as spicy as I thought it would be, despite the chili flakes. So yeah, I'm super happy about that. I love the freshness of that lemon juice and that mint and coriander, and it's perfect. Like, this is incredible. Like, wow. And those little crunchy bits from the pork and the sunflower seeds. And the beef is so, water buffalo is so tender. Guys, at this rate, it's going to be Thai food here on Headbanger's Kitchen. Anyway, I'm going to go and enjoy this. I hope you will make it at home. Vegetarians, fret not. You can make this with paneer. Though why would you want to when beef is so good, right? Anyway, water buffalo is good. You enjoy this recipe, and I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like Thai food, please give this video the thumbs up and subscribe to Headbanger's Kitchen for more awesome keto recipes. Anyway, enjoy.